Welcome to Waltonwood, where we are redefining retirement living. Thank you for letting us show you just some of what makes Waltonwood so special. We know that moving to a senior community is a big decision and one that affects the entire family. It is important to make an informed decision when choosing a new home. Waltonwood provides luxurious surroundings for seniors who want an enjoyable lifestyle with access to a range of social and leisure activities without the responsibilities of home maintenance. Waltonwood specializes in providing a continuum of care which gives seniors the ability to age in place, offering communities with independent living, licensed assisted living, and memory care. Each Waltonwood is an exceptional and ideal home that will accommodate a lifetime, making your choice a little easier. Each Waltonwood community is built, owned, and managed by Sing, a family-owned and operated company that has been building upscale residential communities since 1973. We strive to instill our family values into every aspect of each community, so our residents always feel at home. We are committed to continually enhancing the quality of life for our residents and improving our community's environments by incorporating the latest technology, offering the best services, and staying at the forefront of advances in senior living. Every Waltonwood location offers a variety of exceptional amenities for those ready to enjoy life, including a cafe, a game room, and a computer center with internet access. For your convenience, each community has its own store stocked with items for your basic household needs. Our hair salon is another feature our residents appreciate. Laundry facilities are located on each floor, or residents may take advantage of our laundry and linen services. Home maintenance is available 24 hours a day. We've thought of everything to help make life worry-free. For lovers of art and culture, Waltonwood has well-stocked libraries with a rotating selection of books, as well as an on-site movie theater showing a variety of films from the classics to modern-day blockbusters. We also offer residents the chance to get out in the town with scheduled trips to visit local museums, art galleries, the theater, and more. Waltonwood offers convenient locations in desirable neighborhoods with nearby restaurants, entertainment, shopping, healthcare facilities, and hospitals. Each Waltonwood community has its own bus that provides courtesy transportation to various destinations around the area. This convenience provides residents easy and reliable transportation for trips to the grocery store, pharmacy, doctor's appointments, and more. Elegant dining rooms provide a beautiful setting in which to enjoy delicious, well-balanced meals. Our communities serve a wide selection of meals with homemade taste, prepared from scratch by our experienced chefs. Our menus offer a variety of foods and are reviewed by a registered dietitian to assure they are healthy. You can meet with your friends to enjoy up to 3 delectable full-menu meals a day. Additionally, Waltonwood strives to provide a healthy social atmosphere where residents aren't just neighbors, they are friends and part of a wonderful community. Not only do we provide opportunities for people to get together and participate in activities such as games and crafts, our residents also form clubs of their own to celebrate shared interests. Each month, the calendar is full of both on- and off-site events, live music, and entertainment for everyone to enjoy. Our courtyard provides the perfect place for all residents to enjoy nature and time with one another in a safe outdoor environment. Health and fitness are a major focus of residents' daily lives. Our fitness centers offer state-of-the-art European-designed exercise equipment created especially for seniors. The system offers safe and comfortable methods of exercise designed for every activity level. Some of our communities also feature a beautiful indoor therapy pool. Waltonwood's Forever Fit program is managed by our own experienced fitness coordinator, who directs our fitness schedules and classes. The program helps to stimulate mental function, build social relationships, and strives to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle for our residents. What truly makes Waltonwood the ideal place to live is the levels of care that can be provided throughout our communities, including independent living, licensed assisted living, and memory care options. Our flexible rental agreement allows you to easily transition and receive the services you need if your requirements change over time for any reason. For those wanting an active lifestyle without having to worry about the small details, each independent living community offers a variety of 1- and 2-bedroom apartment-style homes with a fully equipped kitchen and bath, as well as a private patio or balcony. At Waltonwood, you can be as independent as you want, knowing that you never have to leave the community to meet your daily needs. For those whose care needs have accelerated, Waltonwood offers a home with all of the high-quality services found in our independent living area, combined with our high-quality care in an assisted living option. Here, residents can choose studios, 1- or 2-bedroom apartments with an easy-to-use kitchenette, and large bathroom complete with a shower stall and seat. Care plans will be customized to fit an individual's specific needs and continuously monitored by our on-site nurse manager to assure that the resident receives the appropriate care if his or her condition changes. Waltonwood encourages residents to be as independent as possible in their daily activities, while providing assistance where needed in areas such as eating, bathing, dressing, laundry, and assistance with medications. And for our residents who require the very best in memory care, Waltonwood provides a safe, caring environment designed especially for their therapeutic needs by providing multi-sensory experiences and a personalized memory box outside each apartment to assist in association with their home. At Waltonwood, we implement one of the latest innovations that have emerged in the field of senior care, a teaching method utilizing the theory of Montessori-based education. Montessori-based activities focus on residents' current ability to participate in activities. This learning technique focuses on the individual's cognitive capability and works through exercises at an appropriate pace for the resident. At Waltonwood, our activities promote a sense of belonging and help maintain the skills our residents use in their daily lives. It is our goal to ensure each resident's involvement promotes a sense of self-respect and accomplishment. Our staff at Waltonwood is attentive, compassionate, and highly experienced, working in all levels of senior living care. It's this level of professionalism that turns Waltonwood's promise into reality. Our caregivers are trained to respond to each resident's specific needs. We are able to monitor, manage, and distribute all medications. Our licensed nurses provide quality on-site care around the clock. Families can rest assured there is always someone ready to care for their loved one. Safety and security are a top priority at Waltonwood. We are licensed to provide care in each state we reside in, which holds us to the highest rules and regulations in senior care. You'll see evidence of our commitment from your first steps through the doors, where a receptionist monitors and greets residents and visitors, requiring special keys for access between care levels, and carefully monitoring water temperatures to avoid burns are just a few examples of our safety measures. Keeping the best interests of our residents in mind, we aim to exceed safety guidelines in all that we do. At Waltonwood, we not only care for our residents, but also support their families as well, by offering workshops and support groups for all stages of life. We also provide private dining and guest suites for family members visiting their loved ones. Waltonwood also offers services for those in need of respite care, providing the same exceptional care for those staying with us for a short time, and giving families peace of mind knowing your loved one is in good hands while you are away. We appreciate you taking the time to learn more about the facilities and services available at Waltonwood. As we've shown, we place the highest priority on helping our residents maintain an independent lifestyle. Our beautiful communities have been designed to let individuals enjoy their retirement in a warm, caring, home-like atmosphere, surrounded by friends and life's little luxuries. We are dedicated to providing services and amenities unmatched elsewhere, so each day is filled with comfort and pleasure for all our residents. We invite you to visit one of our communities and trust that once you experience Waltonwood, you will understand what we mean by redefining retirement living.